Hey there, it's Kathy here with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. So I want to just show you how you can get your hard water ring around your toilet removed in a non-toxic way. So I already have my toilet cleaner solution in there. You grab a pumice stone right here. Gotta keep it wet, but since it's in a toilet, it's already going to stay wet. So you kind of just scrape around the hard water ring. See how it's just coming off? And as you're doing it, you'll see like the little gray particles of stone going into the toilet water. That's normal. That's because you're just wearing down the stone as it's taking off the hard water. You can get under the rim as well, but yeah, like I said, keep getting it wet. That's the key. You don't want it to scratch. You gotta keep it wet. So I'm not a lefty, so it's taking me a little bit longer to do this with my left hand. As you can see, it's coming right off. I'm gonna have to try to get in here with my left hand, which is not that easy. But this is just to show you how you can go and get the hard water. I'm just going to go down here just for fun. See what's down in there. Alright, I'm trying to flush with one hand. So now I'm just going to use the toilet brush to get the rest of that out, because that's softer. But this is the ring that gets left behind, but you see how it's not there now? Because of the pumice stone. This thing is awesome. Alright, take care guys. Bye.